Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I just performed engine oil and filter change on this 2013 Honda Accord LX, and what is remaining is to reset the maintenance system for the owner. I'll be changing the sticker, but let's go in this video to see how you reset the maintenance system, that oil life. So I will get a key, put it in the ignition and put it in the on. After that I'm using this button here,
from the right,
quiet, and I will look for in the display for the oil life. And guess what, I'm right there. When I have it displayed, I will push this button and hold it for 10 seconds. So stay with me, I want to show it to you in the live mode. And it will change after those 10 seconds. It will start flashing. You let go and hold it one more time for 5 seconds or more. Holding it, and it will reset to 100. Boom, you can see it, right? The reset is done. How simple was that? I filmed that engine oil change, so that's also on this channel, and I'm planning on changing spark plugs and also that automatic transmission, the CVT transmission oil. So if you want to catch those videos, make sure you are subscribed on this channel. It will be posted there soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.